So grand total is $697.
$697.
All right, lock me in. Just locked my VIP ticket in to Southern California Sales Growth Conference.
I want to do a live with you in person, get you the tickets in person, take some photos, the whole 9 yards, man.
Hell yeah. I will send my logo right over.
It's on Facebook.
Yeah, man. You got it.
Dude, how's you, man? I hope you kill it. I hope you blow that shit up.
Woo! I'm stoked about this, man. It's going down. It's going down.
I'm excited, man. All right, brother.
All right.
Be in touch, man.
Appreciate it, man. Talk to you later. Bye. The gentleman you just heard on the phone was Andy Audate, author of No More Average, and he is hosting Sales Growth Con in Southern California. Well, that went even better than I thought. Last time we discussed a 50-50 split. He gives me a free booth at the event. Anything I sell at the event, we would split 50-50. The problem with that is I don't even get 50-50. There's a lot of overhead. About 30% overhead. So a 50-50 split would actually make him more money than it would make me. I think 50-50 after overhead would be reasonable, considering it's costing him a lot to put on this event, and the exposure I would get would be phenomenal. But then he counter-offered with something even better. How am I going to argue with that? A flat fee, $200, plus my event ticket. The event ticket itself for VIP to have lunch with the speakers, the keynote speakers, is $497. $200 more for a table, and I can sell my own product. If this goes well, I'm sure we'll do a lot more business together in the future. It's called Southern California Sales Growth Conference. It's September 29th in Los Angeles. salesgrowthcon.com. I'll be there. Let's really go! It's time for 11 p.m. Cracky Patrol. Crackies. Cracky, cracky, cracky. Where the crackies? Where the crackies? Cracky. This garment wasn't here before. The towel. Crackies. Ooh, you notice anything? The red bottle is gone. Cracktivity confirmed. They're here on the daily. It's just a matter of time before I run into one. The hell is this thing? Cracky ice cream evidence. I may have to start patrolling several times a night. All right, got the car back. Took them 24 hours to do the alignment, but it's done. And today, I'm gonna be drilling holes in my car. This is a 2014 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, also known as an Evo 10. The first car I ever bought brand new off the lot, March 26th, 2014, in Huntington Beach. As you can see, there's no front license plate. Not all states require front license plates, so it comes as an option on this vehicle. Here in California, a front plate is required, so technically I believe I may have been riding dirty. I just didn't want to drill holes in the bumper, but the time has come. The OEM kit that was... Here we have the install guide and a template to show us where to mark the holes. I've marked the first hole right there, and we'll use that one as our guide. But first, let's check the fitment. Line that hole up there. Check here. All right. It's lining up with the angles. Flush on top on this side. This side looks good. Okay, and notice how it overhangs there. It is supposed to do that. And I've nudged it over just slightly to the right. So we're lined up on the right side. So now we'll go ahead and mark our holes. So that's A1, A2 is on the far right, and A3 is on the bottom. And I really couldn't tell you about that one. must have cost extra. So we've marked our holes. Got a 13mm drill bit per the instructions. I'm so sorry. Just 2 more. It's gonna be okay. You're doing great. Just 1 more. Well, that wasn't so bad, was it? Oh, come on. Don't look at me like that. Per the install guide, we're gonna put one of these in each of the locations where we drill the hole. Step 5. Put the enclosed 2 rubber nuts into the holes in the front bumper and fasten them with the enclosed 3 machine screws. And there are said rubber nuts put in the holes. Push them in all the way here. And we take the supplied machine screws. Now remember what you're screwing here. You don't have to go too tight. It's pretty secure there. That wasn't so bad now, was it? I think we're gonna need some alone time together. But you could say, I'm really excited about this next part.